I tried CPA Marketing to see if it really works, and these were the results. I'll also show you step by step what really happens in the back end with this secret tool in a second. CPA Marketing is a form of affiliate marketing where advertisers pay a commission to the affiliate when a specific action is completed, such as a sale, lead, and click. First, you want to sign up for a CPA network. In my case, I chose CPA Grip. I already have an account, so feel free to sign up. Once you sign up, click on my offers. Once it loads up, select a high-paying offer. I recommend first world countries offers as they tend to pay more. Now copy the tracking link and paste it in a notepad. First, for the second step, you want to head over to Beacons. This will allow you set up a bridge page to test those offers. It's pretty easy to set up an account. For the secret tool I mentioned earlier, you want to go to Adspower. Adspower is a multi-login antidetect browser tool ideal for managing multiple accounts from Facebook ads account and social media. Create a free account. Once you sign up, download the software onto your computer and log in. This is how the tool looks like. Next up, click on Create New Profile. Give it a name. Select a proxy type here. I recommend going with HTTPS and put your proxy. You can get test proxies from IP Royal. Click here to test if your proxy works. As you can see, it works. Click on Create. Now you have a new browser profile to test the CPA offers. Now what you have to do is click Open. As you can see, the IP of our browser is pointing to the US, which means we are good to go. Once you have this browser open, you want to go ahead and pull up your link. From Beacons, click on the CPA offer, answer the surveys, and fill out the form. Basically, it's going to give you a bunch of random things like the surveys and form to go through, which is pretty straightforward. Once you're done with submitting, go back onto your CPL Grip dashboard. And so see if you've got paid for that lead, and while you can see on my dashboard how I was able to test if this actually works. I'll leave a link on the description below to check out Adspower and a in-depth video on how to set up everything about your Adspower profile.